Welcome to another episode of the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. My name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney, and I've created this video series to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about the rules of Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits available to them under that law. Today I want to talk to you about what's called a full duty release from your workers' compensation doctor. Usually when you see a workers' compensation doctor, one of their jobs is to provide medical treatment, but the other job at the end of your appointment is to make some decision about whether they think that you can go back to work or not. There's basically three different types of work statuses that your doctor might provide to you. One is out of work completely. That means you can't do any sort of work. The second is some sort of restricted work. It might be sedentary duty, light duty, medium duty, or other various types of work restrictions. In that case, the doctor is saying that you can do some work, but that you can't do unrestricted work. The third type of work status is where the doctor says that you can go back to regular duty work without restrictions or full duty work. Now today I'm going to talk to you about that type of work status. The issue with that type of work status is that when your doctor says you can go back to full duty work, if you've been receiving workers' compensation benefits, then Georgia law generally allows the insurance company to send you a form in the mail notifying you of the full duty release and give you 10 days notice before stopping your checks. Now, if you are actually able to go back to full duty work and do go back to full duty work, that may not be an issue. But I have represented many people through the years that receive a full duty release from their doctor when they're still having problems from their injury and they cannot go back to their regular job. And in many of these cases, their employers don't even offer them a job to come back to that they can do. So this can be a significant issue because they receive a full duty release and then they get a form in the mail that notifies them their benefits are going to be stopped and they're not able to go back to work as a result of their injury. Now, there are ways to fight a full duty release from your doctor. You could try to get the release changed and get the doctor to give a different opinion, or you could get an opinion from another doctor to indicate that you weren't really at full duty. There are many different ways to approach it, and the best way to do that depends on the particular facts of your case. But it is just important to be aware that if your doctor does release you to full duty and you're receiving benefits, you may receive that form called the Form WC2 in the mail notifying you that your benefits are going to be suspended very quickly, and that can be a significant issue. I hope you found this information about full duty releases from workers' compensation doctors helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is by either liking this video or giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want more information about Georgia workers' compensation, I'd encourage you to visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation YouTube channel, where you can find all the videos I've created in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series, and you can subscribe to that channel if you'd like to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you do have some specific information, some specific questions about full duty releases or any other part of Georgia's workers' compensation law, I think it's best to get a consultation with a workers' compensation attorney to get answers to those questions. I provide free consultations on workers' compensation cases, and I'd be happy to schedule one with you. You can do that in one of two easy ways. The first is by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen, or the second is by reaching out to us to our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, where you can complete and submit our free consultation request form. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today, and I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.